A credit score can drop even when you haven't missed a payment. A higher credit card balance, a new hard inquiry, or a recently opened account can all cause a temporary decrease, without meaning your credit is permanently damaged. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find the real reason your score dropped and the fastest steps to help it recover. Start by checking your latest credit reports. Compare your current report with the previous one if you have it. Look for new hard inquiries, higher credit card balances, late payments, new accounts, closed accounts, or collection accounts. The cause is usually listed somewhere on the report, and finding it keeps you from fixing the wrong problem. If your balance is increased, focus on paying them down before the next statement closes. Lower reported balances can improve your credit utilization, which is one of the biggest factors affecting many credit scores. You don't have to close the card. You simply need to reduce the amount being reported. If you find a late payment, get every future payment in on time. Payment history becomes stronger with consistent positive activity, but new late payments make recovery much harder. Setting up automatic payments for at least the minimum amount can help prevent another mistake. If the drop happened after applying for a new credit card or loan, don't panic. A hard inquiry and a new account can temporarily affect your score. The best move is usually to stop submitting additional applications and give your new account time to build a positive payment history. If you notice information that doesn't belong to you, file a dispute with the credit bureau reporting the error, and provide any documents that support your claim. Incorrect accounts, duplicate information, or fraudulent activity should be corrected as soon as possible. Avoid common mistakes while you're recovering. Don't close older credit cards just because your score dropped. Don't apply for several new cards hoping one will fix the problem. Don't carry a balance because you think it helps your score. Responsible use matters more than paying interest. Recovery takes consistency, not shortcuts. Make every payment on time, keep your balances manageable, review your reports regularly, and only apply for new credit when you have a clear reason. Here's the bottom line. Find the exact reason your score dropped, fix the issue instead of guessing, and give positive credit habits time to work. Your next step is to check your credit report today and create a plan based on what actually changed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical credit tips.